Welcome back to KitKim design tutorial. Today we are going to create a simple exercise on SolidWorks, and here we learn some basic commands. Today draw this type of easy drawing. Now first of all select new part. Okay, and see all our dimension are in mm, millimeter, gram, second. Now see our today exercise drawing like this. This height and length will be 76 and 75, and width will be 102, means extrude length will be 102. Now first of all see the thickness. Now thickness will be 14, and now this one was 75, 76. Then minimize this, select the right plane and going to feature and extrude. Now select one rectangle like this and draw. Our all dimension are in mm, and draw another rectangle like this. Right click, select. Now our L section is complete but not provide dimension. Then going to this, select the line and this one. Sorry, delete this dimension. Now select this line and this line. This dimension will be 75, and this line and this line dimension will be 76. One more time see the sketch. This one was 76, this one was 75, and extrude length will be 102. Now going to this trim entity and trim this internal section and this one also. Now right click and select. Now going to this trim entity and select the extend entity and select this line. Now see, this our sketch will be defined but not defined this thickness, means this one was right click dimension, this dimension is 14. Now this one was done but this height will be not defined. Then right click and select. Now going to this add relation and select this line and this line, make it equal and done. Now our sketch is fully defined and black. Then see, this one was our sketch was fully defined. Now going to exit sketch and see, this one was extrude but we select this mid plane option and this dimension was 102. Now see, our this L section are perfectly created. Select this. Okay, now see, now we make one rib on middle, and this dimension is 44, and this thickness of this rib will be 14. Then going to right plane, select the rib and the sketch are normal. Now going to this line, select this point and select this last point and right click and select. Now this our sketch are created and exit. Now see, this rib option are perfectly show, and this downward arrow will be show the material fills in downward direction. This we need, and this one was one side, this one was second side, means another side, and this one was middle to both side, and this one was vertical, this was we need. And if we apply draft, then click this draft, then our rib in, draft in and draft outward. Now we need thickness is 14 and okay. Now see, this our rib will be perfectly cut. If we select okay, Now done, our rib will be perfectly created. Now see this two slot and two circle and some radius. Now first of all we create this circular hole to use hole wizard feature. Now first of all see the diameter of the circle will be 15 and the height of this hole will be 13 and this edge to this circle horizontal dimension will be 20 30 20 and diameter will be 50. Now going to this hole wizard and select this option hole, simple hole, and going to this standard, click ISO, select drill size and select diameter will be 15 and all dimensions are same. Now going to the position, select 3D sketch and only place this our hole. Now going to type. Now see the hole are perfectly placed but not in dimension. Then going to position, then see this our smart dimension are in on. Now select this point to this distance is 30 and this point to this distance will be 20. Now our this both hole is not in symmetric. Now first of all going to this, select add relation, select this point and this point, make it in first, delete this, okay. Now place hole and apply dimension. This distance is 30 and this edge to this distance will be 20. Now done, exit. Now see our hole is perfectly created and now we create this slot cut 15 and radius will be 8 and this edge to this one center will be 25. Now going to this, first of all select the face and sketch and the sketch will be normal. Done. Now going to this slot and select the straight slot and draw like this. And first of all we create one slot. This distance will be 25, this distance will be 15 and this radius will be 8. Now our sketch will be not fully defined. Then going to see radius 15 25, okay. Now going to this fully defined sketch, select our sketch and okay, and see this center to this our distance will be missing but not needing this distance. Then delete this. Now going to this line, center line, and draw center line like this. Right click, select. Now select this our sketch, going to mirror about this axis and okay. Now see our two sketch are perfectly created. Then going to exit and see sketch will be created and going to this extrude cut. Now see this our slot will be perfectly cutted. And select up to next means up to next surface. Okay, now done. Going to this, now only radius will be pending. Then going to select this fillet, apply dimension to, and select the first option and select edge. This one, sorry, this one, and this one. Now change this dimension, will be 5. Right click, edit. Then see, this is not sufficient. Now done. Okay, then see, this our object are perfectly created. Today our exercise will be look like this. Now apply appearance, and don't forget like video, share with your friends, and subscribe channel for more video tutorials.